So here's our next question, which is 2e. Let's bring that up a little bit. 2e. We'll find the zero x-intercept or root on the calculator for method 2. Okay? And nothing could be easier using the graphics calculator again. Look, this one builds just one on the other. Okay, so right now we found the intersection, and now let's find the root. It's just, I believe it's American, they call it root, which is the same as the x-intercept. So you know about the y-intercept, and the y-intercept is at 6,500. That's the beginning value of our computer equipment. So there it is, root. So you just go to root, and now it's asking you, do you want me to find the root of this one, or do you want me to find the root of this one? Okay, so what's it asking for the straight line method? So again, you just tell it, no, I want to know it for the second one. So you tap there, no, tap down. Yeah, that's it. And now that one is blinking, and you say, yeah, that's what I want, and do execute. And it tells you that it isn't found because it's not part of his universe. So make sure that you actually do see that intercept there, the intersection between the straight line depreciation and the x-axis, and then you do that again, gsolve root. It's asking again, now we want the other one, come on, the other one, and then we say execute, and there it is. It tells us 8.33 years. 8.33 years. So 8.33 years. And add this to your graph, explain the significance of this point. So after 8.3 years, the computer equipment has no value. Has no value. Bang. And that's all there is. So if you do know something called simultaneous equations, you could do it in here. And let's just see if that actually works out. So bringing up the keyboard, this one here is the input for your simultaneous equations. So we are going, what are we going? I don't know what we are doing. We are doing y. So essentially the same that you gave the calculator to make those graphs, you put in here. So 6,500, and we multiply that by 1 minus 0.15 to the power of x, and the second one is y equals negative 780. No, times x plus 6,500, and the last little input value is we want x, comma y, and now we will solve for it. More solutions may exist, yeah, that's fine. And where are we? Found the x and the y, the 0 and the y. What have I done wrong here? Oh yeah, that's the intersection between those two. No, sorry, that's not what we want. No, that's fine. Anyway, that was a yeah, no, me being stupid. That was an alternative to find the answer to the previous question, which was D. So it will tell you the intersection. It won't tell you the x-intercept. How do we find the x-intercept of the straight line depreciation? So you are essentially saying, what is the y value? No, so when the y value is 0, what is x? Okay, so you go to 0 equals negative 780 multiplied by x. We want to find where x is, and we add 6,500. So what we do now is no, that didn't help at all, did it? So So now let's do some magic rearrangement here. We want x by itself. So we take that away. That gives us a negative $6,500, right? Doing algebra. And we divide that by a negative, now here it happened again. And we divide that by the negative 780 because that's what algebra asks us to do, which then gives us a value of 8.33, which is the same as we had given by the calculator. And that's it.